Hello there! Welcome back to Tech Library, tech lovers! So have you ever admired mind-blowing long exposure photos and have ever thought that can it be possible to take such photos using iPhone? Then, buddy, this is the right place for you to learn how to take the best long exposure shots using iPhone. So, let's start with the easiest way. First, to take a photo using a long exposure, launch your camera application. To enable the live photo, swipe leftwards on the display. Make sure that the live photo icon at the top is enabled. It looks like a set of concentric circles. If not, tap on this icon. Finally, set up your shot properly for long exposure. It is effective when there is movement, such as water or moving lights for the shot. Capture the subject should have some form of movement. You tap the shutter button to take your photo. iPhones record a short video that we will later use to get the long exposure look. Now, open the photos and look for the photo you just captured. Swipe up the photo and you will see the live photo options. Tap on long exposure to enable it. And that is it. Good sir, madam. Your photo now has that polished, professional long exposure photography style. Do not forget to make your adjustments and take your masterpiece home or share your creation to the world. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you liked this video, please like this video and subscribe to the Tech Library for more helpful how-to videos and tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or future tutorial suggestions in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video.